Hi folks, I'm Lawrence Land, the injury lawyer. I help people who are injured everywhere in Virginia. We'll travel from Maine to Spain to help you if we need to. You've got questions, I've got answers. If you've got a problem, I'll solve it. If you have any unanswered questions after this video, this very short video, call me for free legal advice at 1-800-800-1911. So what happens if you're a pedestrian and you're hit by a car? You would be amazed what kind of coverage is available to you. A lot of times people think, well, I wasn't in my car, so there's nothing that I can do, particularly if someone who hits you is not insured. I mean, you're on a sidewalk. I got to tell you, so often people lose control of their vehicle and they hit people on sidewalks. Happens more often than you would imagine. But here's the good news. In Virginia, you are covered under your own policy, and your rates cannot go up, and you can make a claim for all the injuries. You can be compensated for all of your medical bills, pain and suffering, disfigurement, scarring, all of those things under your own policy, even if the person is not insured that ended up hitting you. You wouldn't know that. I'm telling you, these are things that are so important to know. But what if you don't have a policy? You are covered under the policy of someone you live with who is related to you, and you have 100% coverage. Don't do this on your own. Call me, Lawrence Land, the injury lawyer, at 1-800-800-1911. What are the 5 most important things you should and shouldn't do if you've been injured because of some type of an accident or incident? Well, first of all, go to the emergency room. Don't think for a moment that you're not hurt. Maybe you aren't, but you should not be making that decision independently. Go to an emergency room or a patient first or one of those places. Don't wait. Number 2, do not talk to an insurance company. Most of the people will tell you, oh, the first thing you got to do is call your insurance company. I'm telling you, that is the last thing that you want to do. You should not call your insurance company, and do not call the insurance company of the person who was at fault. Number 3, get off of your social media. Do not text people with what happened. Do not go online and tell people what happened. Stay off of social media. So often people think, well, it won't hurt to say this or text that, and very often whatever comments you make can come back to haunt you. You should call an experienced attorney, an experienced personal injury attorney, to get advice. If you don't know an experienced personal injury attorney, call me. I'm Lawrence Land, as I told you before, helping people throughout Virginia for 36 years. Call me for free legal advice. 1-800-800-1911.